Yeah, so today I'm going to be talking a bit about how the CSTP works, that is the crypto smart trading tool. So we have this BNB, starting from behind the accuracy of the tool will actually help you to predict the market directions and the market trend based on market flips here, bullish market flip based on smart money liquidity. So we have the major direction predictor. That's like the bullish flip and the bearish flip. That's what the arrows are for. So we have these arrows which actually help you indicate the bullish flips and the bearish flips. So when the market flip bullish, you get the arrows to actually tell you the market is bullish under a certain candle, and you can actually use that to predict to know if you are to enter or if you're to sell. Now, as much as the arrow is very important, it is important to check out the colors of the candles. The conventional candle colors are the green and the red. That's like the green and the red candle, but for the CSTP, we included white and the green. The white basically interprets bearish. White means bearish. White blue means bullish. So whenever you see the candle turn white, that's an indication that the market is already flipping bearish. And the correlation of the color of the candle and this green line, that is the line, the moving average lines, yeah, it's very important. So if the markets flip, if we get an indication that the market is actually bearish right now, the best thing to do is to wait for the market to retest. Never FOMO. That's like my first rule. Do not FOMO. I've actually made some mistake myself trying to FOMO into a trade, yeah. But even though the candle is already giving you indication for yes, this is a bull run. Like look at what happened here. We have a major bullish conversion here, a bullish flip here. This is a very bullish flip here under the blue candle that the market is flipping bullish. So here, the best thing to do is to place an entry, wait for the market to actually close and place an entry around the after a touch of the moving average. That's like the confirmation. That is, you have a bullish move here. The candle is already telling it's bullish. Then the next thing is for you to wait for the candle close before you actually place your entry. So if you place an entry, you already have in profit for BNB. Say you're gonna be, let's say you enter here, you're gonna be in a profit of that's 81%, 31.7%, yeah. So that's like thing. Now, like I said, it's very important to also know wait for confirmations. Like yes, the candle already the indicator already indicated a bearish sentiment here, and the market is going down here. Then you entered at the moving average. That is, even though we have this green candle, this week indicate that the market actually became green, a bit bullish before it started dumping down. Now, our previous candle, which indicates the bearish sentiment, already told us that the market is bearish, right? But and it's closes below the green line. So the moving average line already, it's basically what I use for my entry. So the market always come back to test the moving average. Yeah. So if you actually place your entry around the moving average, or you're able to project the moving average, you can be able to know when to enter, when to exit. So you place in here, you place a short. Now another rule, which is the risk management rule, is always protect your profit. Always. Whenever you see profit, protect it. No matter how small, just protect it because the market can flip. Like yeah, the market indicated bearish right now. If you decide and the market after like two candles, that's like the third day, the market decided to flip bullish, right? We have a bullish sentiment, the market decided full flip bullish here, and it was bullish for a while. Now it was bullish for a while. You can see this is red. This is white candle. The white candle with a red wick indicates bearish. A white candle with a green wick indicates a bullish sentiment. That is it. So it means the market is going to be bullish for a short time, but that is the market is actually still bearish. The volume is not enough to support it. That is the volume is bearish. The sentiment is also a bit bullish. Now the sentiment is bullish means that the market actually can flip. So we have this bullish engulfing that engulfed it, but after the bullish engulfing, like I said, if you're going to be using this tool, it's best for you to really understand candlestick psychology, philosophy, basically. So we have the bullish engulfing that closed above the moving average, which is indicating, yeah, that's a bullish movement, right? Then we have another. That was not enough to confirm. Like I said, if you have this bullish engulfing, then wait for you to enter at around this region. That's like, say I get to enter around the moving average. We tested the moving average, so I entered here, and from 308, 307, I'm able to close at 317 here. So about 3.5% I protect my profit. And before you know it, the market was already indicated like it is bullish, yes, which is interesting. Heading out here is bullish, but the market did not really move. There was not enough volume. You can see we have red, we are having much of white. We don't have enough volume. That is, this is bullish here, but we don't really have enough volume to remove it. So there's a consolidated market between for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 days. The market was consolidating then before it decided to flip bearish again. So at the flipping of bearish, that's an indication that the market is actually going downward. And that is what we have right now. Before we now have this major bullish, this major doji at the bottom, which indicates a possible reversal. And you can see we have a doji, we have doji like two dojis before we have a bullish engulfing above, which closes above the moving average. Yeah. So with closing above the moving average, like I said, is not enough until we have a confirmation. So this green candle is our confirmation, then we start going upward. Now let's go to what is currently happening on BNB right now. Now understanding how the candles work, right? So the something similar is also about happening here. Then we have the bullish candle telling us that the market is already flipping bullish here. So the market has flipped bullish. We have a bullish engulfing, and after the bullish engulfing, we have another red a bearish sentiment. That is, we have very sentiment of holding bullish. That is, the market is still bullish, but it's still we have a very high bearish sentiment, which is almost engulfing 50 more than 50% of a bullish engulfing previous candle, right? So you need to wait for this candle to close before you place an entry. Like I said, always enter at the moving average entry. So if I place an entry here, I can probably possibly scalp and wait for and protect my profit here. And if you look at what happened after that, it was not enough to close above 50% of this candle, which indicates that the market is already flipping bullish. So we have the bearish engulfing, then the indicators already indicating for us that the market is already flipping bearish. That's the BNB is bearish, and that's one of the reasons why we actually entered BNB at 245. And my projection is actually for you to come and test the 230 region. That's the support, immediate support that Binance is currently BNB is currently holding right now. I do not expect. The only reason that I might not if touch the 230 is if this today's candle actually closes above here. If it closes above here, then we have also 240, 245, then we can probably be bullish. Else, the market is still bearish. So that's my sentiment. If you have any questions or you have comments, please drop it in the comment section. And if you want to have access to these two, the crypto channel is true. Just send me a message, make a request, and there's a 7-day free trial that you can actually get a test before you can say you want to pay for it. Test it and give your review about it. Thank you, and looking forward to your comments.